Hi Krishna. So recently, a very well known YouTuber made headlines for abandoning his dog. His reason? He started performing Krishna Puja at home and claimed it is not allowed to keep a dog in your house. So he sent it away to a farm. Now, I am not here to judge anyone's personal beliefs. If someone already holds a spiritual view and chooses not to keep a pet, that's totally fine. But when you've bought an innocent animal into your life, when they've trusted you, loved you, made your house their whole world, made you their whole world, and then suddenly calling them impure and sending them away, is that really bhakti? That's abandonment. And it got me really thinking that have we misunderstood what it means to be spiritual? We think going to temples, doing rituals, feeding the poor, donating money makes us somehow come closer to Krishna. But Krishna never said that. He said, and he repeatedly kept saying, that karma comes first. The Bhagavad Gita teaches us do your duty with love without attachment. Meaning, if someone is in your care, be it a child, be it a parent, or a pet, that responsibility is divine. Fulfilling your duty with love is the highest form of devotion. With Instagram and all the 50,000 Babas on the reels, we're doing more spiritual things but becoming less and less humane than ever. We chase validation in the name of religion, seva, donations, rituals. But do we ask to stop? Am I doing this for God or am I doing this to fulfill my ego? Because God doesn't care how much money you give at a temple. He cares about how you treat the people and beings around you. तुलसी की माला कंठ में पहनने के बाद लोगों को मिसट्रीट करने से आपकी भक्ति प्रूव नहीं होगी. He cares about how you treat the people and the beings around you, especially the ones who can't speak, the ones who are dependent on you. आप रील्स पे गौ माता के साथ बैठ के रील्स बना रहे हो और आपके घर में एक जीव बैठा था जिसको आप छोड़ आए हो. If your version of bhakti allows you to leave someone helpless behind, then maybe it's not bhakti at all. Spirituality without compassion is just a performance. And Krishna never asked for performances. He asked for love, he asked for karma, and he asked for truth. So the next time we ask, how do I get closer to God? Maybe we don't need a big ritual. Maybe we just need to become better human beings. Because in the end, God isn't looking at your temple, He is looking at your heart. आप किसी कुत्ते को रोटी खिला दो, Krishna will be happier than putting chappan bhog on in his mandir. Always, always. What do you think about it? Does a helpless animal make you impure? Hari bol.